This program is brought to you by OKEX, the most trusted digital asset exchange.
Hello and welcome to the program, live on Crypto TV Plus. I am Bobby Ayadike. Today's edition of the show is brought to you by OKEX Talks, the leading innovative cryptocurrency exchange that offers advanced financial services. As I am joined live in the studio by a very prominent and remarkable man who has continued to play a vital role in the African blockchain and cryptocurrency space. He is Paul Ezeafulukwe, Business Development Team Lead, OKEX Nigeria. You're welcome to the program.
Thank you so much, Bobby. It's so great to be here.
Yes, it's a pleasure to have you here. So for the sake of those who don't know, OKEX is an innovative cryptocurrency exchange, like I mentioned earlier, with advanced financial services that relies on blockchain technology to provide everything you need for trading and investment. With OKEX, you can join one of the leading crypto exchanges by trading volume. OKEX is also accessed by millions of users in over 100 countries. So, Mr. Paul, now, I think for the sake of those who are curious, how did the name OKEX come about?
Well, the name OKEX came about, it's a fusion of OK coin and exchange. Before now, OK coin used to exist in some particular jurisdictions. I think in 2014, we opened up the exchange, and that's how it now became OKEX in full, www.okex.com. And ever since then, it's been going with leaps and bounds. So that's how the name came about.
Wow, that is fantastic. So can you just help us, with a deep dive into the solutions you're providing at OKEX?
Okay, OKEX services more than 20 million people worldwide. OKEX, we have, number one, we have the spot trading platform where you go to buy different currencies from BTC, Ether, and so many other cryptocurrencies. And apart from the spot trading, we have the derivatives market. That is margin trading, where you could borrow funds to trade. And we have the futures market. We have the OKEX Earn. But let me start with the OKEX Academy. Peradventure, you have never traded crypto before, you can latch on to OKEX Academy and start your journey there. The Academy is robust. I have never seen a platform like it. OKEX Academy, OKEX Learn, you will start as a newbie from day one, with videos, with text, different platforms, even the medium. You go through all, learning how to trade, how to keep your wallet. We have OKEX Earn. Peradventure, you don't want to trade. You're not a day trader. You're not interested. You just want to hedge your funds against the falling currencies in Africa. All you need to do is just go there. There are different products. There are more than 200 products there. You could hedge against Matic, USDT, Ether, OKB. Just put it there, and you earn an annual yield per year. We have OKEX Jumpstart. The Jumpstart is it enables projects to jumpstart their project on OKEX by staking OKB, OKT, or some particular crypto. We have the OKEX flash deals. Sometimes we just open up flash deals to our excited customers to also benefit from what we do. We also have the OKEX chain. That's a beautiful one. It's the chain is very robust. Right now we have about $2 billion total value locked in the chain in our DeFi assets, and it's robust. When you talk about chains, this is one chain where the OKEX chain has its own wallet like MetaMask, and the wallet like MetaMask is excellent. It is one wallet that I have seen, a web wallet that I have seen, that comes preloaded with every individual network. Not you going to look for how to load it. Maybe you're going somewhere to go copy paste. No, it comes preloaded from the Matic platform to the Ethereum platform to even AVAX platform. All of them are preloaded, so you just plug and play. So that those are part of the products that we have. We also have gamify tokens. We have apart from the gamify tokens, we currently are doing something excellent that I have never seen anywhere. We have affiliate. We have a program for partners across Africa. We currently have about 30 or 40 people from Nigeria who are doing that, and they are earning off us. All you need to do is get a bunch of traders. You teach them how to trade, bring them to the platform, and you make money from every transaction they
Wow,
they
that,
trade.
that is very, very fantastic, very apt, and straight to the point. So I think this question is very important. How can people actually explore and use OKEX step by step?
Okay. Using OKEX is actually very simple. All you need to do is just go to www.okex.com. But most times I tell people that you make more. You stand a chance if you use a link, a referral code, which I'll give at the end of the show here. Now, once you come on board, because if you get a referral code, the person who gives you the code will give you a percentage, will activate a percentage of commission that he will earn from you coming on board OKEX platform to you. So, and that's beautiful. So once you have the code, you just come to www.okex.com, you put in the code, you register. And the moment you register, all you need to do is just one level verification. Except you want to do heavy volume, you will probably need up to 2 to 3 level verification. But if you're just a trader, all you need to do is just a level verification. And the moment you do that, you just go to the P2P platform, you sit there. As you go to the P2P platform, you can use immediately there, buy USDT, buy Bitcoin, buy Ether, and start trading. If you don't know how to trade, do yourself some good. Just go to OKEX Learn. There's OKEX Academy on the same platform. Whether you're using the iOS, version, the Android version, or you're using the web version, go to OKEX Learn, click it. You will see how to use a wallet, from how to make your deposit, from how to use the P2P platform, from how to trade and even make profit. Everything is there, and you start your journey. And you try as much as possible to join the OKEX Africa Telegram group. Join our Twitter handles. All you need to do from there, you understand which tokens we are listing, which you understand the game, and you start playing there.
Oh, that is fantastic. Once again, before we go on a quick break, should the community watching you right now, should they be expecting something new?
Yes, there are actually a lot of things that are new in OKEX. When I came on board, I immediately had to, we had to do a lot of jig. And one of the things that we did was we just launched a $10 million metaverse launch pool for African projects.
Wow, that's
And
interesting.
that's quite big. I don't think any of these exchanges have done that in Africa. It is for African tech companies that are playing in the blockchain space. All you need to do is, the moment you have any project that is doing NFT gamify and you're playing in the metaverse, just apply. Come across, send me a mail at paul.ezeafulukwe@okex.com. The moment you send me a mail, I'll follow up. Once I follow up, what will happen is there's going to be quite there are a number of people who are trying to access that loan. So you make sure that yours is going to beat the rest. The moment you are selected among the best, you partake from the $10 million grant. That's one of the things that I knew. Then for before now, OKEX used to be a bit conservative, but a lot has changed this year. We've started listing gamified tokens. We have the YGG, the Yieldgate games. We have the Axis Infinity. We have the WNCG, that is 9 Chronicle games. We have the engine. We have quite a number of them. And it's making the platform very exciting. As I talk to you, sometimes in the bull market we do as much as 10 to $12 billion on a daily basis. As I just said, I think it's about 7 billion.
That's fantastic.
Yeah,
that's
so
fantastic. Sorry, can I cut you short there? Sorry to cut you short. Let's go on a short break. Stay with us.
My name is Toju Kaka. I'm the founder of In Crypto. I'm a cryptocurrency trader, blockchain consultant, and I'm one of the OKEX partners in Nigeria. I've been using OKEX since 2018. My experience of using OKEX has been fantastic. The platform is safe and secure for traders. The user interface is really clean. There were so many challenges that I was having with other exchanges that are not found in OKEX. OKEX is one of those platforms where you can trade with peace of mind. Take for example the trading volume. OKEX trading volume is really legit. Their listing criteria must be really good because you won't find those shit coins, that are just out there to scam you. I would recommend OKEX to other people because of the security of the exchange. OKEX is one of those exchanges that has never been hacked.
This program is brought to you by OKEX, the most trusted digital asset exchange.
Welcome back. I'm still here with Mr. Paul Ezeafulukwe, Business Development Team Lead, OKEX Nigeria. Once again, it's a pleasure to have you here.
Thank you.
So, network rollback has been a controversial topic in the industry. Now, you did mention that OKEX is by far the safest exchange. You did mention that. So, let's just say, if there was a large-scale crypto heist resulting in the immediate liquidation of the stolen assets, would the thought of a rollback be entertained for OKEX users?
There is for a rollback, there is so much that is at play for a rollback, and as somebody who has been here for quite a number of years, I would not suggest any exchange to even suggest or propose the idea of a rollback. The simple reason is that there are other measures that you need to put in place to mitigate any issue that might arise. There are so many things. But what happens most times is that in the quest to beat your competitor, you promise users what is not possible. I think that's a major issue we most exchanges have. I saw there is a local exchange that is promising instant withdrawal. That is not that. I think I see it as I don't want to use the word. I see it as insanity. You're playing online. You're playing in the financial industry. Do you know what it means by telling people it is instant withdrawal? That means you don't have checks. And for any financial system, there must be 3 to 4 levels of checks, depending on the amount to be withdrawn. And that is always the point of weakness. So instead of you promising that, why not promise something better and secure your system? Even if it takes me 3 minutes, 4 minutes to get my fund, it is still an excellent time span. 4 minutes to get my fund from A to Z, except I'm using a non-custodial wallet. But if I'm using a central exchange that has a custodial wallet, I think giving it allowing users to make withdrawals in split seconds is not the best.
So, if I can cut in there. So what you're saying in essence is, if in such an event something happens, so OKEX would not entertain the idea of a rollback. But you get to see that.
The thing about that is that such an event cannot happen in OKEX. That's number one. The reason is that why it cannot happen is that I've actually told you why it cannot happen. Let me just repeat myself. Because of our withdrawal system. Our withdrawal system is tight. When I mean tight, even the CEO cannot just come and do instant withdrawal. You understand? That is tight. That's always the point of exploitation. And if you go to OKEX now, before I can even withdraw funds, even if I have used that particular wallet more than once, withdrawn to that wallet, there are 3 levels of authentication that I must put. I must put my withdrawal password, I must put my email password, and I must put my 2FA password with the Google Authenticator. Now, when you have that, you eliminate 90% of the points of exploitation. That's number one. Then another thing you need to know is that OKEX funds are safe. That means they are insured. Every fund you see goes into cold. Every fund you see, a certain percentage of every fund goes into cold wallets that are not online. It is a certain percentage that are online. So it is not even possible. It's like saying a bank in Cote d'Ivoire, probably in that bank, their receiving bank is in another city, and the total money in that bank per time is just $1 million. So if you rob that bank at every point in time, you can only get away with $1 million. Even if the bank has $1 billion, the $1 billion goes to its central bank somewhere. You understand? So
Yes.
at every point, there is minimum amount that is in hot wallets. The bulk of the money is in cold wallets. So it's actually very difficult to access them because they are not online. So even if you access them, what you get is very minimal. But I've told you, we have different layers of authentication before you can even make a withdrawal. So the hack is not feasible.
Wow, that is fantastic. So before we let you go, Paul, as we earlier mentioned, you're the business development team lead at OKEX Nigeria, and I know that you work in the African market. However, considering OKEX has been a big Bitcoin adoption promoter, how do you plan on driving massive crypto adoption in the Nigerian financial space?
I've actually, maybe I didn't tell you, but I'm currently the team lead Africa. I'm now in charge of the entire African market.
Oh, that's fantastic.
And, as I talk to you, we are growing both the Ghanaian market, Rwandan market, and Kenya market from Nigeria here. And one of the things that we are doing, I was speaking to some of our affiliates yesterday, and we had some innovative products that came out, and some of our affiliates are already beginning to use it. And I noticed one of our affiliates called me, was so happy. Imagine an affiliate marketer in times in Nigeria now, the way the economy is, earning almost about $2,000, not from trading, direct from OKEX.
Wow,
How is he earning this money? Simply by setting up a Telegram channel, WhatsApp channel, teaching people how to trade. They use his link to register and come on board. And this affiliate is earning so much money that he's so happy. He called me, so happy. And the beauty of our affiliate program is that we have a certain number of people that we want into our affiliate program, and we are ready to share profit with them as much as 60%. They take 60%, we take 40%. It has not been done anywhere. That's number one. Number two is, apart from the 60% that we are giving them, we are supporting them with other things to make sure that they get to the root of each sector, where you see traders, trading schools, trading academies, and you get people to trade. They can even, the beauty of it is that they can even allocate some of their affiliate commissions to some of these traders. So we are pushing that, and we're going to be doing a number of AMAs we're going to be doing almost on a daily basis AMAs, OKEX talks, Crypto Academy, boot camps, and so on and so forth across Nigeria. We have some things to do in the north next week. We have some other things that we are doing in the crypto ecosystem in the southwest, in schools in the southwest, where we have some competitions, some trading competitions going on, and we have a hackathon that is coming on up, and we one of the things we spoke about at the management meeting today was we're also going to delve into sponsoring localized projects and local content for the growth of this ecosystem. And I use this also to talk to developers who code on the Tendermint application. You can come up and you can, like I said, you can give me send me a mail on paul.ezeafulukwe at okex.com. If any of the things I've said interest you, want to be an affiliate marketer, you want to be one of the developers or one of people who want to enjoy from our metaverse, our NFT platform, just send me a message. Okay, I can also drop my number. You can give me a call on +234 8173 and we'll take it up from there.
Oh, that is fantastic. I must commend you for your knowledge. Thank you for joining us on the show, Paul. It's been an absolute humbling experience.
Thank you so much.
Yes. And that will be all on today's program. You can get more market updates and all the happenings captured within the world of blockchain and cryptocurrency on our website, cryptotvplus.com. Follow us on social media, Facebook and Twitter at CryptoTV+ to get daily info on our programs. Thank you for staying with us. I am Bobby Ayadike. I'll see you next time.
My name is Toju Kaka. I'm the founder of InCrypto. I'm a cryptocurrency trader, blockchain consultant, and I'm one of the OKEX partners in Nigeria. I've been using OKEX since 2018. My experience of using OKEX has been fantastic. The platform is safe and secure for traders. The user interface is really clean. There were so many challenges that I was having with other exchanges that are not found in OKEX. OKEX is one of those platforms where you can trade with peace of mind. Take, for example, the trading volume. OKEX trading volume is really legit. Their listing criteria must be really good because you won't find those shit coins, that are just out there to scam you. I would recommend OKEX to other people because of the security of the exchange. OKEX is one of those exchanges that has never been hacked.
This program is brought to you by OKEX, the most trusted digital asset exchange.